So I've made a couple of unboxing videos recently when I've been buying stuff from Germany. So these are all from Modellbhanshop Lippe, which is one of the big German websites that sells models, and they send stuff really quickly to the UK. So I buy a lot of my European stock from there. So I recently sold a lot of my British models. So I've respent the money on some German and Austrian stock, which is all things that I've been thinking about getting. So it's actually the second time I've filmed this video because I didn't have the camera pointing in the right direction, or you couldn't see half of the models I was showing you anyway. So I have already opened the box and some of the packaging, but I'm going to show you again anyway because I know some of you are sort of in a similar position to me where you're just starting out with your European modelling and you're not sure what to buy. So, like I said, I've already opened it, so these were packaged better than they are now. But yeah, I'll start with this Roco Taurus. So this is one of the 1216 models, which is the one with the doors at the ends. I think it's like a more modern type of Taurus than the original ones, which made like the singing noise or the music scale as they set off. These ones sound a bit more boring. But I wanted to check one because when I were in Vienna earlier in the year, you see quite a lot of these. You either see them on rail jets, or you see them on just like mixed rakes of coaches. So that's what I'm going to use it on, probably just sort of some mixed coaches. But I'll fit it with sound. ESU do a sound file which I'm going to load onto it, and quite a nice little loco. I like the blue colour scheme, there's something about it that I like and I wanted one. So that was the first thing that I bought. It were also a really good price as well. I can't remember off the top of my head, but like half price in the sale, and it is on a couple of websites as well. But it seems to be one that they're trying to get rid of at the minute, but it suits me because it was one that I wanted anyway. The next thing is this little Austrian shunter. So you might have seen recently on my Facebook page, if you follow it, that I bought a railjet liveried one, which is a pretty rare model, and I was just lucky to find it. And I don't think these are DCC ready, and I don't think they're particularly easy to fit with sound. So I didn't want to experiment on something which is valuable and sort of rare, which I wouldn't be able to replace easily. So I was going to get a red one anyway before I found that one. So I just thought I'll get the red one as well, and I can fit sound into this first. And if I do a good job fitting sound into this, I'll already know what I'm doing by the time I put it in my rare one. But fingers crossed they both go well, and I have two nice models with sound, because I do like small industrial shunters. The next thing is these little log wagons. Sorry, I got that wrong way around. So I don't know if these are exactly the same type that get used in Austria, but I've been looking at some Austrian pictures and stuff, and there's quite a lot of log trains, and I just thought it'd be nice to have a few log wagons, and these ones stood out because they've got real wood loads and stuff, and I just thought they look good. They look impressive behind a loco. So I got two in brown, which are what most of the Austrian ones seem to be, and I just got one red one, which is DB German, because I thought I'd just mix it up a little bit. So one of them's the other brown one. Yeah, that's the other brown one, and then this is the red one. So I don't know that they get used in Austria, but I'll just mix them up into a rake anyway, I'm not too bothered. Or like vice versa, the other ones might not run with these, but I think they'll look fine as a train anyway. It doesn't have to be perfect, and I'll just mix it with other wagon types to lengthen the train a little bit, which you seem to get away with doing in European models. And then this is probably the nicest thing out of this particular box of stuff. So it's NS Vectron, which is Dutch. So the reason I bought this is because the Nightjet coaches have recently started, well, the new Nightjet coaches, which Roco made the model of, which I've just had back from the recall, they've recently started running to Amsterdam, and as far as I know, it's one of these that pulls them. So I thought it'd go nice with those coaches, and I've got 2 sets of them as well. I'm really lucky to have 2 sets. So I'll do one as like a Vienna to Hamburg set, which is what we've been on, and then the other one can run as an NS Vectron set, which goes to Amsterdam, and I'll put a picture of it up on screen so you can see it a bit better. I just really like the livery as well, really smart colour scheme, so I just thought it'd be a nice one to have. So that's everything that I bought from Modellbhanshop Lippe. It's a bit of a smaller order than some of the stuff that I've ordered in past, but I was just kind of trying to spend the money which I'd taken from selling the other models. But another model that I got which came today, and this is from Ellis Clark Trains, so from the UK. It's second hand because I don't think they've made these for quite a long time. But it's one of the Jouef Eurostar sets. Because I've been selling a lot of Eurostar sound decoders for Hornby models, and I kind of wanted to get one to experiment with, but I just thought, because I'm more of a sort of HO modeler now, or at least that's the direction I've been going in, it'd be nice to get the HO set. So I've not actually opened this yet, so I'll have a little look. It all looks to be in good condition and stuff from the pictures. Strange box that are upside down then. But yeah, I just thought it looked nice. I think that both ends are motorised and stuff, but I don't think they have working lights or anything. So maybe I'll be able to add them, I'm not too sure. I just thought it'd be nice to sort of have my own set. So it looks nice anyway, and hopefully I'll be able to get that running soon, and that'll feature in its own video. But yeah, that's everything that I've got for now. If you've got any questions about what I've bought or where I buy from or anything, get in touch. And if you've enjoyed the video and you don't already, please subscribe to the channel. It'll help more people find the videos, and if you can leave a like on it as well, it just makes me realise that people want this kind of video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video.